Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new to my channel, then my name is Mezabin Pinky and I live in Australia. And in today's video I will be unboxing my May Bellabox. So I just received my May Bellabox yesterday in my mail. So I thought, okay, today I am free, so I will just record this video and show you guys what I got in May. And yeah, without further ado, let's begin and see what I got. So as always, the box comes like this and I have opened it, and here it is, the blue box. So for those of you who don't know what Bellabox is a monthly subscription box where you get 4 to 5 full size to simple size product to try, and I just love it, and it's just $17.95 per month. And let's see what I got this month. So the first thing is this card, and it says weekend skin. So this is this month's theme, and at the back you get to see all the details of the products which comes in here. So let's see what is the first product. And the first one is this Modelco baked highlighter in moonshine. It is made in China for Modelco company, and it's distributed I think in Australia, USA by Modelco. And this highlighter you can get from modelcocosmetics.com, and it says for external use only, discontinue use if irritation occurs. So this is just a highlighter, and let's open and see how it. So this is how this looks like, and this is the product. I really like it. Wow, oh my gosh, just see this, if you guys can see it properly. I don't know, but I just, oh gosh, it's really pretty. It's so pretty. It's really pretty, and I just can't wait to try this. And let's see what's the price of this. And this says that we love anything described as baked and muffins, breads, and now makeup. This month we have the Modelco baked highlighter, which creates a warm glow to brighten and highlight every complexion. So it's best for all skin types, and this product retails for $25, and it's available at modelco.com.au, and this product is 3.5 grams. So I have got no idea. I think this one is a simple size. So now this is a full size product, just because it says here 3.5 grams is for $25. So this is 3.5 grams and it is $25, and you can buy from modelco.com.au. and I am really happy, just because this one product is worth my full box, and it's far more than that, and I just paid $17.95, and this one is $25. So the next product is this White Glow Activated Charcoal Deep Stain Remover Whitening Toothpaste. So this is charcoal whitening toothpaste by White Glow. I don't know, I am using carbon cocoa. It smells really good, and it looks like this. this is a sample size product, and let me see, full size of this product is 150 ml, and it's only $5.95 at Chemist, Warehouse, Priceline, Woolworths and Coles. And I will be trying this product, and I love to try. This says white glow is here to help you with your smile. This whitening toothpaste is activated with charcoal particles to help detoxify your mouth and remove deep stains and discoloration. It is highly absorbent. So the next product is this unique one hair treatment, and it says the unique one hair treatment is an all-in-one product providing your hair with 10 main benefits to make the hair more flexible and manageable. So from repairing dry and damaged locks to maintaining your hair, this hair treatment is your go-to. So you will get one of the following scents: classic coconut or lotus flower. So I got this, this is actually by Revlon, and lotus flower hair treatment. So I got this one. I think this is just a sample size, and I think you guys can see it properly. I will be writing on the screen or in the description box the names of this. And let me spray and see. Oh gosh, it smells so good. Yeah, it smells really nice. And I did cut my hair a few days ago, so that's why it looks a bit small, just because I wanted a bit smaller hair. So this treatment is by Revlon, and this retails for $29.95, 150 ml, and this product is like how much? I think it's a sample size. I have got no idea because I can't see any. Okay, it's here 9 ml, so this one is 9 ml only, and it says it has 10 real benefits. So, and it has lots of ingredients, and I like it. The smell is really good, and feels like I'm in a salon. So this product is just a sample size, and this one is only available at salons, so you can get it in salons. That's why I just said that I just feel like I'm in a salon, and it says there you can get this product in salons only. So yeah, I hope this will work. If it works, I will mention it in my favorites video if I like it. So let's move on. The next product is, if I'm pronouncing this name properly or not, I don't know, but this says enbacci skincare. So this is moisturizing hand and nail cream, smooth finish, all skin types. So this product is quite nicely packed, and got no idea. Let's open, because I haven't tried any products from this brand. And so it comes like this, 40 ml, and it says dry, tough, moisturizing, smooth finish, all skin types, moisturizing hand and nail cream by enbacci. If you guys can see it properly, come on camera, please focus. I don't know. So this product is 40 ml full size, and it claims that enbacci skincare is an Australian luxury skincare brand. So with the aim of creating something that won't leave the skin irritated, the brand also uses premium and technologically advanced ingredients to add to their skincare line to achieve the highest quality products. You will receive one of the following: detoxifying clay mask, I wish I got that one, micro dermabrasion exfoliating scrub, that would be awesome too, and this brightening hand and nail cream. So I got this one, and this also has SPF 15. No, this is not the brightening one. So the brightening hand and nail cream has SPF 15. So, or this moisturizing hand and nail cream. So I got this one. So this is like 40 ml retails for, I think this is a full size. I don't know. It looks like it's a sample size, but no, full size of this product retails for $23, and it's a luxury brand, so this one will be $23, this much. So I think this is a full size 40 ml hand cream, and I think you can get it from enbacci.com. Yes, and let's open and see. Wow, it's really moisturizing, and it's winter now, and now it's not winter, it's still autumn, and winter will be soon here, and it feels like it's winter here. It's so cold, and yeah, I don't know, it smells like something, but I'm not sure, because I am not that good at telling you guys about the smells. But this product is really nice. I love it. Now the last product is this Universal Beauty Cosmetic Tint Stick in Nude Pink. So this is just a tint stick and with nude pink. And it says here, pick up for a hit of bold, intense color that lasts. This amazing lip tint from international brand Universal Beauty Cosmetic delivers an intense pop of color to your pot. And in addition to the perfect amount of lip moisturization, it is highly pigmented with a great color payoff that lasts for at least 10 hours without smudging or bleeding outside of your lips. Wow! Its claims are really nice, and it says it lasts for like 10 hours without smudging or bleeding outside of your lips. So I will love to try this, and if I like it, I will mention it in my favorite videos, and like my favorites, which I will be like doing in June. So in the first 2 weeks of June, so I will be mentioning this product in there if I like it. And this product retails for $19.95 full size. This is a full size, and it's available at ubcosmetics.com. And the last product is just a Nutrimatic NC BB cream. This is just a sample BB cream, and I got lots of samples from my previous boxes, and I don't know, it's just lying in my bathroom, I think. So like these kinds of sample which I always forget to use, but I think I will be using this. I'm trying like to see if that works, because I just need a good BB cream. And in my last video, like I think I did a Elizabeth Arden lipstick swatches. In that video I did use only a BB cream on my skin, and that was I think by Garnier. Oh, I don't know, I've got few of them, but I used that one BB cream only on my skin just because I am like still sick. I was sick whole week last week, and my lips were peeling off, and I didn't scrub my lips, so that's why you guys must have seen my lips, it was peeling off. So I am getting better, and the show must go on. That's why I can't delay with my videos. And yeah, if you guys have loved this video, and if you guys got any of this product, and if you guys have used any of this product, and if you guys love any of this product, just leave me a comment below and tell me if you like it. Like I will know a little bit more about this product. And if you guys want to get Bellabox, I will link their website link below in the description box, so you guys can go and check it out. I think you'll get some discount when you like get for the first time. I think you'll get some kind of discount there, and you will pay lot less. Like I think with my first box I did like paid like $5 to $10 in between, I think, but I'm not sure, it was a long time ago. So yes, if you guys loved it, please leave me a comment below what you think about this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and do subscribe if you wish to see my future uploads. And yeah, until the next time, bye.